Hello friends, welcome back to the new video of Magento. So today we are going to learn about the drawbacks of the Magento EAV model. So if you want like something multiple attributes, you want to get it from the table. So this is the query that we are going to get the data. So let's have a look what exactly the query does. Give me a second. This is the query which I'm going to add in the localhost php myadmin localhost php myadmin. Okay, I'm going to add with the root. I'm just getting one of the product here. So where is Magento 3 SQL? I'm going to add this one, then go. So you can see that for getting this data, for you can see that this is too much query for the attribute, that AV model that we are getting with this one and with this price, right? So by you getting, by adding such kind of queries, we are getting what, these options only. Okay, so this is the drawback, that we have to write so many large queries to get the desired data. How to overcome this, I will explain you. Okay, so let me log into the Magento admin. Magento, it's 3. Okay, and we have admin. So I'm going to log in as an admin. So we are going to the sales. No, we have to go with the stores configuration. Then we have to catalog. Then we will enable the catalog product flat, right? I'm enabling this. Okay, this is enable. Going to the cache management, flush the cache. Then this table is enabled now. Now I need to write such of getting the same thing. I'm going to add this query. Okay, going to this one and open the same DB. Here's a result from the web. And we will go with this one same. I'm going to go to SQL. I'm going to add the same thing. Okay, catalog flat table, I have enabled it. Now I'm going to go this, does not exist. Why? But I have enabled this from the term, from this one. Cache is enabled. Might be I need to upgrade the command or something. HTML. This one project, open terminal. So I'm going to run these commands also at the same moment. Setup upgrade is better. Indexer is, I guess, that is also important. Let's find out the indexer command. Magento to indexer. Okay, this is the index command is coming. This I need to add reindex. And first of all, I will need to add this permissions. Okay, then I will use this reindexer command. So php reindex. Okay, let's see the table has get the data or not. You can see that now the data is coming, and I have just added a simple query, and you will see the data is coming, right? So enabling the flat catalog table will give you the less queries, and you can, if you have the EAV model, that there is only that drawback, that we have to manipulate the large SQL queries to get your desired required. This is the difference. So So I think and this is the advantage that you can use the flat catalog to get the less number of queries and to get the desired data accordingly. Okay, so I hope you are clear on that, what are the advantages and disadvantages of that. Okay, so use accordingly. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Have a good